See the question. Find the equations of transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. So, the given circles, take S is equal to and S dash equal to. Find centers and radius of each circle. First circle center is 2, 5. Second circle center is minus 2, 3. Using the formula, center is minus g minus f, radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. Similarly, find out what is r1 and r2, radius of the first circle, radius of the second circle. By knowing centers, find the distance between the centers by using distance between 2 points formula. C1, C2 distance is root 20 using two centers. Also, R1 plus R2 is distance, that is radius of first circle plus radius of the second circle. Here, by comparing these two, distance between two centers of the circles is greater than the sum of two radius of the circles. With the help of this, the two circles are do not touch each other. Do not touch each other. The point of intersection of transverse common tangent is internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. These two are transverse common tangents. This is the point of intersection. So it is said to be internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude is divides the line C1 C2 in the ratio of R1 is to R2. With the help of intersection formula R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2, R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. Find out the internal center of similitude. C1 C2 are the two centers of the circles. R1 is to R2. Use this formula. Substitute here. By simplification, we get internal center of similitude, the point here. Let M be the slope of transverse common tangent. We are assuming M is the slope of the transverse common tangent. Equation of transverse common tangent is, this is one point, internal center of similitude. This is the point. This is the point 1, 9 by 2, and slope we assumed M. With the help of slope point formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute all the things on by cross multiplication. This is the equation of the tangent to the circle S is equal to 0. Now, the distance from center of the circle to the tangent is the perpendicular distance drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent. With this perpendicular distance formula, we can find out what is the distance from center to the tangent. On simplification, on substitution of center 2, 5, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root of a square plus b square. Here what is the formula we have? Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by under root of a square plus b square. By substitution all the points here on simplification, that is do the cross multiplication, then here square root is there, apply squaring on both sides, then it is a quadratic equation. By taking 4 common, we got two equations, that is m values, m is equal to minus 3 by 4 or m is equal to 1 by 0. This is undefined value, undefined value. Take first slope, m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Substitute in the tangent equation. We'll get first tangent. Then this is the first tangent, 3x plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0. Now second slope, m is equal to 1 by 0. Substitute here in this equation. In this equation. So on cross multiplication, 0 into this will be 0. So we'll get x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the second tangent. This is one tangent and this is also second tangent. The intersection is called internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. These two are called equations of transverse common tangents. Equations of transverse common tangent.